Hi, it's Patrick with E38. In this video, I'm going to give you a first look at some of the capabilities of the XGRIDS Lixel L2 Pro and how simply we can produce high-quality models from Lixel Cyber Color. First, we will open up and create a project in Lixel Cyber Color. Once you have the folder of your scan selected, there are a few options for the processing. We'll name the model, then choose our processing parameters. Quality, video, memory limit, and PPR will all have effects on the processing time, while the import workspace option is for saving a local copy of the scan directly from the L2 itself. Since the mission folder for my scan is already saved locally, I will select No. Clicking Start to process will queue the project. Clicking on Start to Rebuild will start the processing. We will receive a notice to kill any background tasks for the best processing results. Once processing is finished, we can open our model and take a look. This scan was taken in about a minute, focused on capturing this vehicle. In the settings, I can toggle on the scanning path. Now we can see the 2 revolutions I did of this vehicle and how well that was able to reconstruct it. Now let's take a look at some of the other tools available in LCC. We can save a new starting point. Now this will be the view when we open the project in the future. In spatial roaming, we can create a short clip that will move view to view by adding keyframes with the desired view. Next to that, we can adjust how we navigate the views, and even drop an avatar into 3D space to give us a sense of scale. Next, we have our clipping tool that we can use to cut out what we want to see, or clear things we don't. The Notes tool will allow us to select points in the model and attach photos, annotations, and/or links to them. The Measurement tool will allow measurements point to point as well as areas. The point cloud toggle will show us the LiDAR scan from our SLAM scanner. Finally, we can save our changes and export in PLY or LCC. This has been Patrick with E38 Survey Solutions. Thanks for watching.